Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix video record option missing from iPhone camera. So how to fix this problem if you want to record a video and the record option is missing. So the basic fix is use photo key for recording. Open camera. Press and hold the photo key to start recording. It will record the video. As you can see, the video has been recorded. Now if you want to continue recording, press and hold the photo key and then slide it to the locked mode for longer recording. Now it is locked and it will record continuously. Now if you the second fix is go to settings, scroll down and tap on camera, tap on preserve settings. From here just turn on all the mode, camera mode, everything, turn it on and try again. If still the video is missing, the video button is missing, check background apps. Ensure no apps are using the camera in the background. Close or force quit any such app and force restart. To force restart, press volume up button once, down once, hold the side key and restart your phone. After restarting, open it, and still if your problem is not fixed, update your iPhone software. Go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update, and if there are any update available, install it and update it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.